Maybe jump in. You're a little too small to pop out. Oh. Yeah, we got no plan. Welcome to season 4. we were debating, is Rebecca going to pop up like, hey, guess what? It's Abby and I and Rebecca. No, but Rebecca's always here.
Except for in Quick Mix. You're not even in Quick Mix.
Yes. Abby would like you to know that Abby does make videos all on her own as well. So welcome. We're back. We took a little hiatus, maybe a little longer than we thought.
Yeah, we thought it would be December.
But you know what? This is a lot of work, people. But we love doing it, so we're going to keep doing it.
We got new aprons.
We got new aprons. Good point. I didn't even clean mine. I really should have.
You're clean
red for cooking with them.
Don't look up at our ceiling ever. That's disgusting. Somebody get murdered? All right, season 4, folks. Listen, season 3 didn't start with a plan. There was no plan. We started making bread one day, and
we did a live stream and we were silent the whole time. So.
Yeah, you guys didn't talk. Exactly. We should do more live streams. I like the live streams.
I like the live streams. But
as I was thinking, as one does, what's the point of this? Right? What's the point? The point is we have fun and we make some food.
Yeah. And we give people recipes.
And we bring
people joy.
But, well, I don't know about that. It's very, very presumptuous. This is joyful. We bring each other's joy. Yeah. Now, as I look at the little monitor, I realize that I am looking like I'm shrinking because Abby is almost at eye level. Mostly because I'm slumping, but I like to say mostly because I'm slumping, but not really.
I can go to your height.
Ooh, pancake indigestion. Yeah, Rebecca's quickly outliving the step stools, and I'm just gonna shrink away. I'm probably gonna start shrinking.
No.
Season 4. We're gonna probably do it a little shorter. It's not gonna be
65 episodes.
Whatever the last one was. It wasn't 65. I think it was 40 something, if you count all the other things. Last season we did Burger Week, which was fantastic. This time around, sugaring off Sugar Shacks. That's a thing here in Quebec and in the Northeast. And I want to do all of the lovely cabane à sucre, as we say in French Canadian.
We had a really good bean soup at when we went with the
split peas. Yes.
How do you say la tire in English?
Toffee, I think? I don't know. It's la tire, people. I don't know if we're going to make la tire because la tire is basically... So anyways, we're going way down the rabbit hole on that. So definitely want to do that. But back to season 4. Look at us. Me already getting distracted. Season 4, I thought, you know what I want to do? I want to do the basics. I think there are, 2 dozen recipes that everybody should know how to make, and you guys should start practicing when you're kids. I want you guys to make them solo. I think that's what the lives are going to be, is you guys, go make me pancakes, and you guys are going to go make me pancakes. So we're going to do pancakes. We're going to do pancakes, and that's top of mind because we just shot the episode. Can't wait to put it together.
Mac and cheese.
So, mac and cheese is going to be another one, but what we're going to do is kind of go through, I think we're going to do, I know, we're going to do a bunch of breakfasts, we're going to do a bunch of lunch/dinners that are easy to make for...
like cereal breakfast?
No, not cereal for breakfast. Not that there's anything wrong with cereal.
No, like we make eggs and potatoes.
No, like mac and cheese, that could be dinner just as well as it could be whatever.
No, for the breakfast.
Spaghetti. Breakfast, what are you talking about?
What are we making for breakfast?
I'm not going to go through the whole show, all of them here, but there's lots of different breakfasts that we can make, lots of different lunches, and of course...
dinner.
Oh, we also did the lunch series.
Desserts. Ooh, we did do the lunch series. We did a lot. So, anyways, rambling on for 25 minutes here. Welcome to season 4. And share with your friends if you like these videos. Don't share this one because this is a train wreck. But when we put together some recipes, they're kind of fun, we think. And we love when you guys get in the kitchen and make our recipes. So.
And then show us what you make.
And we love seeing it.
Photos.
Photos are good. Welcome to season 4. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing so you don't miss an episode.
Find us on Facebook
and Instagram for behind the scenes and more.
There's no rush. You don't have to run.